Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Chrisley and me. Wait, I should tell Chrisley something. Okay guys, so we're just gonna ready the bahay. We're gonna speed it up. Okay? Like that. Okay, saka po natin bahay. No! Okay guys, okay. Bahay. I'm missing something. This is the bathroom. What? There's not even a shelter. Why the bed is the bath? So bamboo there. It's like bamboo. But then it is. Uy! Ito din yung bed na bukas ang ginabi eh. Need to use it.
Hindi na. Yung ibig, ako kung tali dito, nagkanak na naman.
So guys, sa iba ko yung pagdalit. Video mo guys the short. Bahay-bahayan. So guys, you cannot really see it, so I'm gonna show it to you. We're going to dive into this. This is the small couch, the guest's couch. Also this one too, the guest couch. And this, the microphone. Our bed. This is the microphone. Yeah, this is our bed. Wait, I'll show you. Where's the flash? Yeah. And then this is the bunk bed, and this is our couch, and this is our second couch. This is our bag. Guys, this is so comfortable. Yeah, so comfortable.
Sleeping.
Okay, so guys, we are done sleeping. Right, Kisley? Yeah. I need to sleep. Why? You're still sleeping? It's been 2 minutes now. Hey! Needs to be ayos. Why? Dapat kasi tutulong. Ay, tama. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna fix the bed. Sign out in real time. Of course, 12:06. Excuse me. I'm gonna go to that. How are we gonna go outside? I don't know. We're gonna make an haul before going outside, right? No. Like this. Then go like here, then whoa. Yesterday I do like that. Good. But that's the ollie, then like that. Then jump to the other bed. Then go outside. Here. This is outside now. Yeah. Ganito nun. Dapat magpupita ka sa ollie. Yung pinupupit first dyan ka. Tapos punta dito. Ganun ka. Ganon. Masalapin mo. I'm preparing clothes. Alam ko mag-professional makeup. First, you have to do 2 lipsticks, highlighter, and a brush. But you need to do skincare first. What's this? Wow! Who's octagon? Ew! What's this? That's a crocodile. Ew! Joke lang. Kala ko octopus. What's this? I like octopus. Hi. Hi guys. Look at me. Whoa, wow, wow, wow. I'm jumping on the
Okay guys, so this is gonna be
Wow.
ASMR for the day. Dapat we need mic para rinig na rinig tayo yung mic yung masasabi. Pero meron ako nun eh, pero bawal ko dalhin sa labas. Sayang naman. So guys, this is our milkshake, okay? Mix it! Okay!
Hi. Dito. Yes.
Hello, this is me, Officer Haley. How to do it again? I mean like, no. How
Just
to repeat
press
it
this.
again? How to repeat the sound? Hello, this is me, Haley.
Just like that. No, ipipindutin
Alam
mo
ko,
na.
I'm really good. And guys, look, this is actually ASMR. Yes, super ASMR. Oh, malapit na. Because guys, this is me, Haley.
And Chrissy. I press one more.
And guys, look, this is actually ASMR. Yes, super ASMR. Oh, malapit na. Because guys, this is Haley and Chrissy. Hey.
Wait, that's like the same voice. What's your name? What's your name?
Chrissy.
Make
And what's your name? Chrissy. And what's your name? Chrissy.
You're here and I'm Bobby.
Okay, guys. For today, guys. Bye. Say bye. That's it for today, guys. Please subscribe. We love you. If you
And this is
subscribe, thank you so much. Bye bye. La 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 la
Also,
la.
Ate Ibis